How to change security question in OneXBet app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXBet app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your accounts. Now, in order to change the security question, you need to go to your account settings. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right over here. Next up, select the settings gear icon in the top right corner. Once you are in your settings page, you can see this security settings option. Tap on this. After you are in the security settings page, over here you can see the security questions. Tap on it. You can select a question from here. It has given you different options. You can choose your preferred security question. If you want to customize your own question, you can select this last option. Now enter your question over here. After you type your questions, you can even give the answer to your question. Once you are done, you can tap on the save button. And there you go. That's how you can easily change security questions in your OneXBet accounts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.